Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys today how I got this look. So if you want to see, please keep watching. Can't be the only eyes on you. Your love bring me bliss. I'm gonna start by moisturizing and toning my face with the Boots Glycerin and RoseWater. Just put some on the cotton wool and apply on my face. Then I spray with the badescu facial spray, and I use the Aloe Vera gel from Fruit of the Earth to moisturize my face. They can talk about me whenever I'm a fool for you. I've already filled in my brows, so I'm just carving it out with some concealer. I'm also gonna do a tutorial on how I got my brows done for you guys. Just gonna apply some concealer on my lids just to prep my eyes for the shadow. I'm just gonna set it with powder as well. For my eyes, I'm taking this red shadow from the Elsas Pro eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using a regular brush to place the shadow all on my crease. Drop it low, dirty, whining for me. You're the only one that I see. You're the only one for me. I'm then using a blending brush to blend it out. You were once a dream living in my head. Using this darker brown, I put that on the outer corners of my eyes. I just blend everything together. Plenty trouble. Trouble. Say you tease and you leave and never love them. All the boys and the girls that lie about you. Shoot them down so they run and talk about you. Then I use this cream color and I put that on my brow bone, just below my eyebrows. Then I blend softly. We are lovers, we live forever. Through desire, we live forever. We are dreamers. Then I used the Beauty Glazed pressed glitter. It's like amazing because it's like different colors of glitter all pressed in one palette. It doesn't fall off. Girl, you're the one for me. Girl, you're the one for me. I really like this palette because you don't need glitter glue. You just simply just place it on. As you can see, I'm using just my finger. You're the only one for me. All them girls have been lining for me. Drop it low, dirty, whining for me. You're the only one that I see. I went ahead to put on some lashes, and I also lined my eyes. I use this eye cream. It's from Lancôme. It's the Youth Activating eye cream, and I just put that under my eyes. I'm just going to apply this liquid highlighter or illuminator on the high points of my face before I put my foundation. I'm going to be using the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect foundation, and I'm going to mix it with some serum. You can use any serum you want. I'm using the Estée Lauder Night Repair Serum. This gives it a skin-like finish, trust me guys. Trouble. I applied the foundation onto my face using my fingers, then using a beauty blender, I just gently press it onto my skin and blend it in. For my highlights and my contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealers.
They can talk about me when
I warmed up the concealer on my hand, and then I'm using my finger to apply because I feel like it goes into my skin better.
we are dreamers, will live forever. Through this passion, will live forever. I know you like dirty dancing. All your girls are
I'm applying on all the points of my face that I want to highlight. That's under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin and forehead. So I'm using the darker concealer on my cheekbones and my forehead. Then I'm just going to lightly blend everything in. I'm going to make sure I write down all the products that I used and the shades in my description box below.
for me. I don't know how long I've been here. You were once a dream living in my head.
So I'm just going to set my highlights, all the areas that I highlighted, with a setting powder, and this is the Benai powder. I'm gonna drop the exact shade in the description box. So I'm just gonna gently press the powder into my skin.
All the boys and the girls that lie about you, shoot them down so they run and talk about you, yeah.
So I'm just taking that setting powder and just putting it on just below my cheekbones to like define my contour a little bit better. Then I use the BlackUp contouring powder and I set the cream contour that I put earlier.
Through this passion will live forever. I know you like dirty dancing. All your girls are dirty dancing.
So I'm contouring my nose with the contour powder, and I'm just going to dust the powder off my face and blend everything in.
For me, girl, you're the one for me. All them girls have been lining for me. Drop it low, dirty, whine it for me. You're the only one that I see. You're the only one for me. All them girls have been lining for me. Drop it low, dirty, whine it for me. You're the only one that I see. You're the only one for me.
I'm going to apply some blush, and this one is from Sleek. Beautiful color for dark skin. So I'm going to highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And what I do is I start by using light strokes and then I build up as I go.
I don't know why I chose you. I don't know why
Then I use a smaller brush for my brow bone because I love to highlight my brow bone and the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow and my forehead.
trouble. Say you season, you leave and never love.
I'm applying the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes.
Shoot them down so they run and talk about you, yeah, yeah. I'm a fool for you, so whatever. They can talk about me whenever. I'm a fool for you, so whatever. I'll be here by your side whenever. When your lovers will live forever.
Then I use the same red shadow that I used for my eyes. I use that for my lower lash line.
Dirty dancing. All your girls are dirty dancing. Like it better when you dance.
Then I'm using the same brown that I put at the outer corners. I'm just going to mix that in with the red to make it darker.
Girl, you're the one for me. All them girls have been lining for me. Drop it low, dirty, whine it for me.
So next, I'm going to apply the Flori Roberts mascara on my bottom lash.
Dirty, whine it for me. You're the only one that I see. You're the only one for me. wants a dream living in.
So for my lips, what I did was I mixed a sleek burgundy, deep burgundy color with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the really dark shade that I used for my contour. I mixed it all together to get this brown shade.
All the boys and the girls that lie about you, shoot them down so they run and talk about you. Yeah.
I then set my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray.
I'm a fool for you, so whatever.
I'm applying a clear lip gloss.
Through desire we live forever. We are dreamers, we live forever. Through this passion.
And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and feel free to comment, and please subscribe to my channel because I'll definitely be posting more videos. And you can follow me on Instagram. It's Kaima Beauty. Have a lovely day.
All them girls have been lining for me. Drop the little dirty whining for me. You're the